Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So we have some visual models here, and this video is going to focus on how do I identify fractions from these visual models. So I'm going to be identifying the fraction of the number of parts of each shape that is shaded. We have our first example here. And I'm going to go get right into it. I'm Mr. Camilleri, and this is the Mr. Camilleri Show. So fractions, I want you to think of fractions as a parts to whole relationship. The bottom number in the fraction, the denominator, represents the total amount of pieces. And the top number, the numerator, represents the number that is shaded or unshaded. So the bottom represents the whole or the total, and the top represents the parts. So for this shape, I am going to count the total number of pieces. Total number of pieces. So I'm counting the shaded and unshaded parts of the shape. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 total pieces here. 8 is our denominator. Now I'm going to count how many pieces are shaded. So we have our fraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 out of those 8 pieces are shaded. So our fraction for the number of pieces shaded is 5/8. So again, the denominator represents the total or the whole. And the numerator represents the parts, shaded or unshaded. All right, I'm going to do another example now. Shout out to everybody tuning in. Please hit the like button, it really helps the algorithm. All right, next shape. So I'm going to be identifying the fraction of this shape right here. Step 1. I'm going to count the total number of pieces, so I'm counting the shaded and unshaded pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is our denominator. Next, I'm counting the amount of pieces that are shaded. 1. So 1 is our numerator. The fraction of pieces that are shaded in this shape is 1/6. All right, on to example number 3. Remember to hit the like button and leave a comment. All right, now I'm identifying the fraction that this figure represents. Step 1, you count the total number of pieces. So I'm counting the unshaded and the shaded. So to find the denominator, we count the total number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is our denominator. Next, I'm going to count the number of pieces that are shaded in. 1, 2. 2 is our numerator. So our fraction for this shape and for the amount of pieces that are shaded in this shape is 2/5. All right, next example. All right, now I'm going to identify the fraction for this new shape. So step one of identifying the fraction, I'm going to count the total number of pieces. The total number of pieces is the number for the denominator. So I'm counting the shaded and unshaded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 is our denominator for this shape. Next, I'm counting the number of shaded pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fraction for the number of pieces shaded in this shape is 5/10. Different shape, but same concept. So to identify the fraction that this shape represents, I'm going to count the total number of pieces to find the denominator, and then to find the numerator, I just count what's shaded. So counting the total number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is our denominator. Our denominator represents the total number of pieces that are in the shape. Next, I'm going to find the numerator. So for the numerator, I'm just counting the pieces that are shaded. 1, so 1 piece is shaded. So the fraction that this shape represents is 1/4. All right, that is my video for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments, and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off. Have a great rest of the day, and God bless.